Hello class, hi there, 4th grade. I'm super happy to start with this new class. To start, we're going to do a review about the topic that we learned yesterday. It's a new topic, but it's super simple. Either way, we're going to review this, and we learn this as sequence words or sequence connectors. Remember that I told you to copy this chart on your notebook because it's not a chart, but it's going to help you. It's more like a list of connectors that you can use in your texts. Also, in the student's book, we learn others, or they are in this list, but we had only 5. Here we have other ones that you can use. So I also show you a chart and some examples of when to use them. Remember that sequence connectors or sequence words are used when we are talking about something that needs to be in a certain order. So you can do first, later, next, second, after that, finally, later, lastly, or finally. And we have the vocabulary from this unit, and it's our schedule. We have activities that are important. Maybe we don't do them every day, but are important, and sometimes we do them. We have go to a wedding, shop for food, eat out. Also, we had go to the dentist, go on vacation, and help clean. And yes, we are going to go right now to the activities on the student's book. These are the last pages. And we are going to do page 26 and 27. So we have the activities on pages 26 and 27 that are the last pages from this unit 2. And the first activity, 26, on page 26 too, it says, listen and read. Choose the happy face for good habits or the sad face for bad habits. In these activities, we are going to learn to talk about good and bad habits. It's super easy. It's more like vocabulary that you know. We did some activities like bad habits and good habits in 2nd grade and 3rd grade. So I'm going to play the audio and you can look at the pictures. You have 4 pictures. Number 1, I make my bed every day. Number 2, I eat vegetables once a week. Number 3, I do my homework and watch movies at the same time. Number 4, I help do the dishes every day. So you're going to circle or check sad or happy face depending on if it's a good habit or bad habit. We're going to listen to the audio and we can do this activity.
Student's book, page 26. Activity 26. Listen and read. Choose the happy face for good habits or the sad face for bad habits. 1.
I make my bed every day.
2.
I eat vegetables only once a week.
3.
I do my homework and watch movies at the same time.
4.
I help do the dishes every day.
So that's it. It was super simple. Now we're going to go to the project. And it says activity 26, work with your classmates to make a good habits mural. Hang it out on a wall in your school. Okay, so here we have an example about good habits. We have exercise often, eat vegetables every day, and also do your homework every day. So you are going to do it by your own. You can use a paper, you can use cardboard. Remember that it's up to you to choose the materials that you are going to use, or yes, to do them. If maybe you are doing them on their computer, you can send the picture or maybe the screenshot to me and I can check it. If you're going to do it by handcraft, You can use different colors, paintings, and you can cut and paste pictures, but you need to write which good habits are you using. For example, in this example, we have 3 pictures, but they are writing also what good habits are these. Exercise often, eat vegetables every day, and do your homework every day. Pay attention that they are using the adverbs of frequency and also some words too that we've been using. And then we're going to skip to activity 30. It's on page 27. Okay, we're not going to do activity 29. Play the silly sentences game. You can play it, and you have these activities at the back of the book, and you can cut them and paste, but it's up to you. You can do them or you cannot do them. It's up to you. So activity 30 says complete the dialogues, write answers using the pictures. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 1, what do you do before school? I help with, and you are going to complete. What is he doing in this picture? Number 2, what do you do after school? It will be I do. What is she doing? What do you think is she doing? Number 3, what do you do on weekends? And you can look at the picture. I play what? And number 4, what are you doing this summer? What are they doing? So you're going to complete this by using the vocabulary from the unit. You needed to pay attention to that, okay? Also, activity 31 says circle the correct words. It's a conversation between 2 people. You have A and B. That means A and B. A is a person and B is another person. A, how often or many do you visit your grandparents? B, we see them once or times a week. We go on or every weekend. A, that's nice. My grandma always or twice makes a big pie. It's delicious. Cool. I see my grandparents once or sometimes a year. You are going to circle the correct option. So the last activity for today are on page 14 from the workbook. This is the workbook, and I'm leaving you the pictures if you don't have your workbook. You have our schedule, look and write. We have the vocabulary, eat out, go on vacation, go to the dentist, help clean, shop for food, and watch a movie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, it's super easy. You are only going to write the names under each picture, and when you finish, you can do activity 2, and it says read and circle the correct answer. I brush my teeth twice a morning or twice a day. Number 2, I walk the dog every week or every afternoon. Number 3, we walk to school every morning or every year. Number 4, we visit our grandparents every hour or every month. We go skiing every summer or every winter. I take dance lessons once a morning or once a week. You need to circle the correct answer that makes more sense with the sentence that they are giving you. That's it. And remember, we had activities on pages 26 and 27 from the student's book and from the workbook page 14. Because we're getting behind, we need to finish before the exam comes. If you have questions about this, you can send a message to me and I'll be answering you as fast as I can. Also, write your name and the date for today in each page, in each picture that you are going to send me, so it's going to be better than okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye.